Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn at least $20, which is equivalent to 32,000 naira for free in this online survey platform. I am going to be showing you guys in this video. If you convert it, it could be USDT, it could be $20. They are all the same, but when you convert it to Nigerian naira, is equivalent to 32,000 naira. And I'm not only going to show you how to do everything in this site, I'm also going to show you guys payment proof. Okay, the minimum amount you can actually earn is $10. Okay, you can actually earn $10, which is equivalent to 16,000 naira. And if you keep doing the task, you can actually withdraw at least you can withdraw at least $20 every 2 days or every 5 days on this site I am going to be showing you guys in this video. All you need to do is to pay attention to this video, watch this video from beginning without skipping any single line. Okay, because at the end of this video, if you have never made money online before with your smartphone, after watching this video you should be able to make money online with your smartphone for free. It is totally free. Okay, and then before I proceed guys, my name is Legit Boss. For those of you who don't know me before, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on this channel. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates on daily basis on this channel. So if you're an online hustler, or you have interest in making money online, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on notification bell so that you'll be among the first persons to be notified on daily basis with money making updates. And then after watching this video, for those of you who will have interest, who might pick interest in joining this platform today, I'm going to be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section. Okay, the link of this platform, the registration link of this platform has been made available in our WhatsApp group. So if you are not in our WhatsApp group, it simply means you cannot gain access to this platform. So you have to join our WhatsApp group so that you can get the link of this platform. That's if you are interested in joining in this money making update. Okay, and then for those of you who are already in my WhatsApp group, please and please do not join the group again. This group link in the comment section is meant for those who have not joined my group before. If I am my group 1, remain there. If I am my group 2, remain there. If I am my group 5, group 4, please remain there. The link in the comment section is meant for only new members, for people who have never joined my group before. And for those of you who have already joined my group and you still repeat joining again, I am going to remove you from all the groups. Please take note, do not occupy space for new members. May God bless you as you adhere to this instruction. Now let's proceed to the platform. Okay, so the name of this platform is offers to cash. Offers to cash, as you can see here on your screen. In this video tutorial, I'll be telling you guys what is this platform all about. Offers to cash. How do you make money from this platform? How do you withdraw money from this platform? How do you earn from this platform? All these things we are going to be explaining in this video. Okay, before we proceed, I want to show you guys payment proof. Take a look at your screen. That is payment proof on your screen. So this platform is 100% legit, paying for free, no investment. All you need to do is to take daily surveys. That's all. You get paid on this platform. And withdrawal takes just 24 hours to 48 hours to reflect in your account. Okay, now when you register on this platform, the first thing you need to do is to verify your Gmail account so that you can always log in smoothly without having any issue. Because if you did not verify your email account, the next time when you want to log in, they will tell you the account is not registered with the platform. So when you register, you'll be seeing on your screen. Take a look at your screen. You'll be seeing on your screen, verify your email now. So you click on it, they are going to send you a code to your email. Then you are going to go to your email and then you are going to see the option of verify email. Then click on it. Once you click on it, it will automatically verify. Then you will see your dashboard. This is how your dashboard will look like. Now when you register, what do? You do survey to earn money. Okay, now referral is optional. Please take note, referring in this platform simply means earning extra income, but it is totally optional. And if you are referring, you cannot even earn from referral program unless those people you refer are earning. For those of you who don't know how to refer in a business, let me clear your doubts. Okay, this one is a referral free project. All you need to do is to take your surveys and make money from this platform. Now when you sign up, you see these 3 dots here. Click on it. When you click on it, you can see this earn ignore. Click on earn ignore. You can see this place here, offers, daily surveys, videos, 100 apps. So these are the tasks you can actually do to earn this ignore. Now this ignore you are earning will be converted to gift card for you, to paper gift card for you, or paper euro gift card for you, which you can redeem. Okay, so click on daily surveys. Now when you click on daily surveys, you see this option here. You can see this ESYS. Click on it. So when you click on this down drop here, then you see prime surveys. These are surveys you can do. If you click on prime survey, no, if they don't have any available survey there, then you click on in brain, or you click on this one, or you click on this one, you click on this one. So these are surveys you can take. These are survey sessions. You can actually click. If they have survey on that particular session, you take the survey. Then if they don't have, you now click on the next one to proceed. So let's click on prime survey to see what they have here. So you can see this place here, they have survey here. If you do this survey now, this survey will take you just 15 minutes to finish. You will earn 699 Usdt. So this one will take you 18 minutes. So this one, just like that, you just earn money by doing survey. So this Usdt you are earning, these are the points. The offer to cash Usdt, these are their points. These are the points you are accumulating. Okay, so click on it. When you click on it, scroll down, you can see this option here, start the survey. So you click on start the survey. So you will now read instruction. You know, when it comes to we know that anything that has to do with survey, you have to read. It's not something you just jump. When you hear something survey, it means you have to read and answer the question. It has to do with sharing of opinion. You understand? So that is it. Then you click on start survey, it will take you to next page. So just follow these procedures I'm showing you guys. So once you are done with this survey, you completed it, the amount of money, the Usdt token will be credited to you here on your balance. Okay, so that's it. Then you can still come again, you can still see another survey, you can still see another ones. You see another ones, you click on short surveys, you click on most Usdt. So these are the surveys you need to do on this platform to earn money. All you need to do is to take these surveys, make money every blessed day. You are doing this survey. Now if you want to place withdrawal, please take note. All you need to do is to accumulate this Usdt. Now if you accumulate this Usdt now, the Usdt point now, what are you going to do with it? They pay in PayPal gift card. Now you'll be wondering, hey, how am I going to sell it? To worry no more, because Legit Boss got you covered. All you need to do is to reach this minimum withdrawal. Let me show you guys. Click on this three dots here again. Click on redeem. So when you click on redeem, click on shop. So when you click on shop, you can see this option here, PayPal Euro. PayPal Euro, this is gift card. You can see the minimum is 8,990, which means you have to accumulate that Usdt. For example, there is option there participate in doing survey that has high paying points. So those one that with highest point, if you do those ones, imagine you do something, the one with 600, the one with 1,000 points. If you complete it, you can actually complete this minimum withdrawal in the space of 2 days. Yes, so this one is 20 euro, 17,950 points. That's Usdt point. Those points you are accumulating. Once you have the 17,950, then that is PayPal Euro money. Then they still have the one of PayPal USD. Now PayPal USD, this one is euro. This one is euro. So this one now is PayPal dollar. So $10. That's 10 USD now, which is 16,000 naira. So once you have 7,005 Usdt, you can actually request this to get this money. Then you also have the one of 20 here, which is the startup or the topic of this platform, the topic of this video. This $20 is what I am talking about. You understand? That's 32k. If you're able to do those tasks, then you can actually accumulate it. Once you accumulate it, you can request for payout. So you can see this place here. So you just click on it. So when you click on it now, when they now send it to you, now you now bring it for exchange. Do you understand? I have someone that exchange it, that will exchange it for naira for you. For those of you who will be making it, so you can see this place here. You can see this place here. Scroll down, click on get. You can see. So the amount you are going to get now, you click on get. This is how you withdraw. So once they give it to you, you now exchange it in dollar or you exchange it with naira. How do you do that? Once you reach this minimum withdrawal, all you need to do is to message me. If you are not in my WhatsApp group, make sure you are in my WhatsApp group. It is only when you're in my WhatsApp group that is when you can have access to me. Do you understand? So once you get this point and then you claim this $20, message me. I will tell you how to convert it to naira. So that is it, guys. So that is all you need to do. And then if you have friends and family, like I said, each time I share update, don't keep it to yourself, because if I had kept it to myself, there is no way it will reach everyone here on YouTube. So click on this place here. However, it is not compulsory. Like I said, click on referrals. When you click on referrals, click on my links. So when you click on my links, come here to copy your link. You come here to copy your link, then you now use it to invite friends and family. It is only when your friends and family are earning, that is when you will earn some percentage of their points. If they are not earning, you are not earning. So what matters to you is that one you are earning. The Usdt you are accumulating, the Usdt points you are accumulating, that is the real deal here. Please take note. So once you have the minimum, click on get. I've already shown you guys how to do it. Once they send the money to you, once the money arrive, boom, you are good to go. What is left for you now is to exchange it to naira. That is when you will now be needing my help. That's where you will need my help to help you exchange it to naira. I will give you details how to go about it. You exchange it to naira and you enjoy your money in peace. Please take note, this platform is totally free, 100% legit and paying. I've already shown you guys payment proof. If this platform is not ready, there is no way Legit Boss will post it here on YouTube. For those of you who have interest in joining, who will pick interest after watching this video, like I said, our WhatsApp group link is in the comment section. If you're interested in joining, you can join our WhatsApp group, and if you're not interested in joining, you can just watch this video and then subscribe and wait for more updates. Then if you have another question, please kindly comment below. I'll be there to reply you. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Legit Boss. If you have another question, comment is open. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this video. Okay, thank you.